Breaking news for international students. Welcome to your complete guide to the UK student visa for 2026. The UK remains a top destination for global education, with over 160 universities offering world-class degrees. Step 1. Compiling your documents. This is the foundation of a successful application. You'll need a valid passport, your academic transcripts, and a detailed CV or resume. Crucially, you must provide proof of financial support to cover your tuition and living costs. Don't forget your English proficiency results, like IELTS or PTE, which meet the UKVI requirements. Step 2. The admission process. Start by choosing your university and course via UCAS or direct application. Once accepted, you'll receive your offer letter. An unconditional offer means you've met all requirements. Now for the most critical document, the CAS, or Confirmation of Acceptance for Studies. After paying your deposit, the university will issue your unique CAS number, valid for 6 months. Step 3. Applying for your visa. This is done officially through the gov.uk website. Be prepared to pay the visa fee and the immigration health surcharge during your application. With your visa in hand, you're ready to start your journey in the United Kingdom. Ready to start? Contact EduNex International today for expert guidance on your UK student visa journey.